Hello my friends and welcome to HairTrickTv, helping you to solve a hair problem so that you can achieve all your hair goals. I'm Pallavi and in this video, I'm gonna try and do this braided hairstyle. You are watching HairTricks Tried and in this is a series where I try out new hairstyles, new hair products, new hair trends for the first time on camera with you guys. So today I'm gonna try to do this hairstyle, so let's get started with today's video. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do hair care and hairstyle videos every Saturday 5 p.m. And if you haven't watched this HairTricks Tried series, then I will link the playlist up in here. Go and watch the whole series. I hope you will like it. So this is pretty much simple to do. You will just have to part your hair and do a normal Dutch braid. If you want to know how to do a Dutch braid, you can watch my video up in here. The technique is slightly different from a normal Dutch braid. So in a normal Dutch braid, we add new hair in the side sections, and in this technique we add new hair in the middle section. So first I'm gonna section out my hair with my rat tail comb. You can also use a normal comb. And I will go all the way down to the back. And now I will take 1 inch section like this and again section out the hair. Then I'm gonna take a section from the front and then I will divide it into 3 sections. So I have my 3 sections. So in a normal Dutch braid, we cross the side section under the middle, and then we cross the side section under the middle, and then again when we cross it under the middle, we join a new section to these side sections, and then we cross it under the middle, like we join a new section to this side section and then cross it to the under the middle. So basically in a normal Dutch braid we add in new hair in the side sections, but in this technique we will add new hair in the middle section. Insert my index finger to take in some new hair, and then I will take the side section and cross it under the middle, and we will join that new hair with the middle section. So here is my middle section, and the one we crossed just now is our new middle section. So now I'm gonna insert my index finger, take in some new hair, and take this side section and cross it to the middle. So I'm just gonna continue to do the braid, and I've just started the braid, and I have to say that it's tough. I've started to get frustrated, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna just continue to do that. Okay, so now I'm done with my first braid. I'm pretty much sure that it's not perfect because I'm trying it for the first time, and now I have decided I will just do 3 braids on each side, because with one braid I feel like I have lost all my energy and I don't have any more to complete my rest of the head. But maybe it's because I'm trying this for the first time, so I'm gonna try and do the rest of my head. Okay, so now I'm done with my first side and this is how it looks. So, but I did all of it by the technique which we normally do a normal Dutch braid. I felt more comfortable with it. I was not able to do the braid with the other technique. So now I'm gonna do my other side with the normal Dutch braid technique. And I'm not gonna section my hair first because it's getting more complicated. So now I'm just gonna do my braid and just use my index finger to simultaneously separate my hair. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm done with my whole head and I'm happy with my result. So I started off with another technique, but I like the normal Dutch braid technique more. Sectioning my hair before braiding was a bit difficult for me while I was braiding my hair, so I didn't section it out. I just started braiding my hair and simultaneously I sectioned my hair with my index finger and I was fine with it. Follow me on Instagram to check up on updates on how many days I'm gonna keep those. So I'm kind of liking it, so I'm gonna try it again and do it properly someday in future. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I upload new videos every Sunday at 5 PM. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye.